Welcome to the Easy Laser XT System tutorial series, presented by the CEO of Engineering Dynamics, Christo van der Walt.
Today we are focusing on making the vertical and horizontal measurements live. After taking your measurements, proceed to the next window, the adjustment screen. This is where you'll add shims or adjust the jacking bolts. When adjusting in the vertical direction, move the laser measuring units into the vertical position. The same applies for horizontal adjustments. Move the units into a horizontal position. Ensure the values on the Easy Laser system change during your adjustments. This confirms that the values are live.